Chemical bond. The concept of chemical bond evolved through many theories. The first theory was given by Lewis. He described bonding of hydrogen with another hydrogen atom as sharing of electrons and forming a duplet. Similarly, he took oxygen, which has 6 electrons, and the bonding between two oxygen atoms as sharing of 2 electrons and completing 8 electrons around both the atoms. This is the octet rule, that is, atoms combine to complete an octet. Next, atom picture totally changed when Bohr introducing a nucleus and an electron revolving around it in a fixed path called orbit. This theory, however, failed to explain Heisenberg's uncertainty principle and de Broglie's wave hypothesis. Both of these are based on wave nature of matter. To include wave nature, Schrödinger converted orbits into orbitals like S, P, D, looks like this. Anyway, so these are the orbitals. Then, to include orbitals into bonding, a new theory that was valence bond theory, VBT. So this came along. It was given by Hitler and London. It is about 100 years old theory. Here, bond is described as overlap of atomic orbitals. So the orbitals that we discussed, they overlap to form bonds. Now, Linus Pauling, he came along and he gave the two most important principles. One was resonance and the other was hybridization. These two are very important concepts in chemistry. Now, here the wave function give energies through Schrödinger equation, but the calculation of energies through Schrödinger equation is very difficult because it requires computers, and since it was given in about 1930, when computers were not so developed, they had to give another theory. This was molecular orbital theory. Here atomic orbitals are totally forgotten, so we have got molecular orbitals now. The bond by sharing is totally forgotten. It is a totally new concept. Electron is shared by all the nuclei, so electron is a part of whole molecule, and so instead of bond we have bond order. Now this is better than VBT in two ways. First, it is readily extendable. Readily extendable means you can solve it for simple molecules like hydrogen plus molecule, and then use the results on different molecules like oxygen, nitrogen, O2, N2, that is. And second reason, the calculation is very easy because the wave function can be put into computers and it can be solved approximate value, but it's okay, it's very close. VBT did not succeed because computers were not so developed, but now VBT is gaining resurgence because computers are now developed, because after these 80 years computers have greatly improved. So that's it. Now in the next videos we will talk about VBT and molecular orbital theory in detail. Thank you so much.